Hello guys, welcome to Minimal Reviews. I know that all of you are very busy binging Drishyam 2 and Pittakadalu. But take a little pause because today we are going to talk about love. No, not the love that you are thinking about. We would have talked about it last week if we really wanted to. Let's talk about the latest Malayalam thriller Love, starring my darling. I don't know if anyone can call anyone darling without consent, but anyways, my darling Rajisha Vijayan. Quick trivia: check out the review on June on our Instagram handle and watch it. It's a fusion of Premam and Kirik Party from a girl's perspective. Anyways, so we are talking about Love, starring Rajisha, Shine Tom Chako, Gokulan, and others. It is directed by Khalid Rahman. Giving away anything specific to this film will turn out to be a spoiler. So basically, there is a couple having a broken relationship. Trust issues get piled up and things get out of control in a heated argument. The consequences of this fight is what you have to watch out this film for. Love explicitly explores how the human's mind and thoughts can go to any extent when things start going downhill, and how there are always grave consequences for such toxic relationships when not called quits at the right moment. It also explores a man's mind and the patriarchy that trickle down through generations in such situations. Now I know that I'm sounding like this is going to be another thappad, but let me clarify. All those things were dealt on a subconscious level, while the film is a thriller on the face of it. Should I give away the basic plot? Let it be. Rajisha and Gopalan's performances definitely stood out for me. The background score of this film is a blessing in disguise. The first 5 minutes, what a beauty. It will be a grave injustice to Jimshi Khalid if I don't talk about the insane camera work with the very limited resources he had. The film was shot during the lockdown and the whole film is set in an apartment. But not for a second do we feel claustrophobic. See You Soon and Love definitely proved that there are no bounds to creativity. Wait, you must be wondering why minimal reviews still didn't get into the negatives. Here you go. So, Love begins on a very high note, maybe one of the best beginnings I've seen in recent times. But it takes the same old route in the middle. I've personally seen a lot of films of this genre going down the same road, including the latest dark comedy Kadak on Sony Live. Things become very repetitive and very normal. Definitely not what I expected after the stellar opening bang, but a beautiful twist in the pre-climax gave a whole new value and perspective for what was happening until then. After watching the film, that whole 1 hour can be considered as character development and inner exploration. But it's just that I expected more out of it. To conclude, like Tapsi Panno's Game Over, this film has an open ending, and it's open for everyone's own interpretations. I have a theory in mind. Let us know your perspective and your theories in the comments below. I would definitely recommend you to give this film a shot, at least for the last half an hour. Anyways, that's it from our side. Check out this page for more reviews coming your way. Our review on Pittakadalu is gonna roll out real soon. Don't forget to spread a word about this podcast in your circles. So stay tuned, follow us on Instagram, and until then, Alvida.